DTLIFE is the first social network that rewards your interactions. Post a photo, review, tell your story, earn money from your social activity. DTLIFE is the social network where you can share and monetize your experience. Choosing DTLIFE means giving value to your data. Do Google, Facebook or Instagram pay you for every like or research done? With DTLIFE, it's possible. Each interaction generates a value and rewards you in DTCOIN. DTCOIN is a cryptocurrency whose value is based on the traffic of data generated and collected. DTCOIN is a currency that can be spent in online and physical stores that accept DTCOIN. When the value of your DTCOIN increases, it also increases your purchasing power. Imagine you get your DTCOIN today. With 10 DTCOIN, you can buy a pair of shoes. The price of DTCOIN goes up. In the future, with 10 DTCOIN, you can buy a complete outfit. You can exchange DTCOINs with other currencies or keep them in your wallet for the future. DTCOIN is different from other cryptocurrencies thanks to the data market that supports it. The price of the DTCOIN is guided by the standard data, a real counter value. The more data is generated by users, the more the currency and the community become strong. Register on DTLIFE platform. Start sharing and earn the first DTCOIN. DTLIFE. Monetize your experience.